Good morning, everyone. It is an honor for Mr. Jack from America to be here with the rest of the board of directors. I am Jane Graldin, a public relation officer from Cirebon Electric Power Company, and I will explain the corporate social responsibility activities or CSR. Today, I will present the corporate communication strategy of PT Cirebon Electric Power and how to improve the company's image in society and everyone in this room. In this presentation, I will start with our company information. For those who, for those you who don't know, after that, we will explain the communication strategy when doing CSR and strategies to improve the company's image. Before I provide company's information, I will explain a little about what CSR is. Okay, CSR basically is the company efforts in contributing to society so that its life is better and environmental conditions are cleaner. Indonesia is currently seeking the identity of these values through the adoption of various global and local talks to encourage companies to recognize the principle of measurable social responsibility by referring to the concept of corporate social responsibility as part of corporate identity. Next, I will explain about information of company. PT Cirebon Electric Power is a manufacturing industry that provides internationally lead consortium power plants involving leading international industry players in the energy and infrastructure sector in Asia. In its development, CSR is no longer an obligation for the company, but has turned into a new strategy that can also be used for the benefit of the company. This is also done by PT Cirebon Electric Power, in addition to carrying out the obligation of the company law. But CSR activities are also at the same time to improve the company image, as stated in Law Number 40 of 2007 concerning limited liability companies and Government Regulation Number 47 of 2012 concerning social and environmental responsibility of limited liability companies. In order to realize sustainable economic development, in order to improve the quality of life and the environment, this is beneficial to the company itself. After I explain about the company and a little about the law regarding social responsibility, I will explain about communication strategies when doing CSR. Recognizing communication goals. Efforts to recognizing the target audience appropriately can be achieved through audience analysis activities, which contain step 1, fact gathering, 2, analysis of audience needs, and 3, identification of problem faced by the audience. And reference framework factors. The communication message to be conveyed to the communicant must be adjusted to the frame of reference. B. Situation factors and conditions. What is meant by the situation here is communication situation at the time when the communicant will receive the message conveyed. What is meant by the condition here is the state of personality communication. That is the physical and psychic state of the communicant at the time he received the message of the communicant. And then next, I will presentation about public relations strategy in improving company image. There is two. One, assessment of the purpose of communication message. communication message or message have a specific purpose, it determines the technique to be taken, whether it is an information technique, a person technique, or an instruction technique. But whatever the technique, the communicant must first understand the communicant message. Uh, Number two, communication media selection. Communication media is means or tool used to facilitate the process of conveying news or information from the communicator to the communicant to achieve certain goals. This is done in order to establish a harmonious relationship for the benefit of the publication and publicity process as work program activity or for the smooth running of PR communication activities with public parties. Then, how to build the company's image in society? To improve the company image in the eyes of the public, PR carries out the CSR or social responsibility activities. CSR is the sustainable economic development by paying attention to corporate social responsibility and focusing on the balance between attention to economic, social, and environmental aspect. There is three. One, public understand. Two, public confidence. And three, public support. After I explain about CSR activities, then the Cirebon Electric Power Company's communication strategy, and how to improve the company's image in the community, I can conclude that 1. PT Cirebon Electric Power has a good communication strategy in socializing and inviting the public to participate in implementing CSR activity programs that are right on target and sustainable unexpected. PT Cirebon Electric Power improving its corporate image takes a persuasive approach to its stakeholder, especially to the surrounding community, so that they can accept well the existence of the Cirebon PLTU in the midst of their environment and can coexist. And last, the main objective is CSR activities carried out by PT Cirebon Electric Power is not to improve the company image, but to comply with Law Number 40 of 2007 concerning limited liability companies and Government Regulation Number 47 2012 and concerning corporate social responsibility. Dan presentasi yang bisa saya sampaikan, mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan kata. Thank you for your attention.